Hi, I'm Jeff, and welcome to Advanced Vaginismus Therapy.
Is vaginismus common in virgins? Sex happens when couples get together. Seems pretty simple, right? Not for everyone. There are many couples who are waiting to have intercourse, but when the big night comes, it still isn't happening. For weeks, months, and for some couples, even years. And it happens more often than you may believe, because for those couples not having sex, they often find it embarrassing and don't talk about it. However, Advanced Vaginismus Therapy is here to help you treat your vaginismus naturally, even if you are a virgin. Vaginismus resides deep in the fight or flight part of the brain. Therefore, vaginismus should be treated naturally, and Advanced Vaginismus Therapy is here to help. Is vaginismus common in virgins? The majority of vaginismus patients are still virgins since they could not have sexual intercourse in any way with their partners. Some of them could not have intercourse after one or a few challenging attempts. All of these are in the primary vaginismus group. It is the situation when no penetration can be achieved since the beginning. No results have been obtained since the first attempts. It's lifelong and the most common type of vaginismus. Whereas healthy intercourse was possible before, it is the type of subsequent vaginismus depending on an experienced trauma. It is rarer than primary vaginismus. It is also known as secondary vaginismus. Difficult childbirth, painful abortion, gynecological intervention, and even a painful gynecological examination may cause secondary vaginismus. On the other hand, sexual traumas such as harassment or rape may also cause secondary vaginismus. After sexual traumas, lack of sexual experience, aversion and arousal problems are seen commonly in women apart from vaginismus. How does vaginismus happen? Some women have a condition called vaginismus. It is a sometimes painful muscle contraction of the vagina that happens in response to physical contact or pressure. That means that when there is an attempt to insert a penis, finger, or something else into the vagina, the muscle tightens and the opening is shut and shut tight. A woman with vaginismus does not consciously control the spasm. The vaginismic reflex can be compared to a response of the eye shutting when an object comes towards it. Vaginismus can happen to women of all ages, and being married has nothing to do with it. For those in a relationship, the inability to have intercourse can cause stress, and for those who are single and have vaginismus, it may prevent them from seeking out romantic relationships. For some women, their body has always been this way. That is known as primary vaginismus. For others, they used to be able to tolerate and even enjoy vaginal penetration, but something likely occurred, often trauma or a serious negative experience that affected them deeply. They are experiencing secondary vaginismus. What could cause vaginismus? For women who have always had this condition, there can be a variety of causes, including sexual abuse, anxiety, domestic violence, pelvic health problems, or strict conservative moral education that leads to negative feelings associated with sex. It often surprises women who experience vaginismus to learn that their upbringing may have contributed to why they have this problem even though they are virgins. Imagine growing up in an environment where you are told that sexual intercourse is something you wait until marriage to do. Perhaps it's a cultural belief or a religious one, or being told women aren't to enjoy sex in any way. Maybe you were told you were ugly and you were not good enough. Regardless of the reason for the message, it may come delivered in tandem with the idea that sex is bad or wrong until marriage. So for 10, 20, or however many years it is that you have been putting up with vaginismus, you are telling yourself, and maybe being told, that sex is bad. A message delivered over that many years can be pretty powerful. So powerful that even once some women do have a partner, part of their brain and body do not cooperate when it's the right time for them to be intimate. For women experiencing secondary vaginismus, there is usually some cause related to anxiety. It could be anxiety caused by many things, including distrust, abuse, self-consciousness, or sexual identity is often the cause. Once someone realizes they have vaginismus, well, what's next? To explore the psychological side of this issue, for example, fear of sex, strong belief that sex is wrong, working with Advanced Vaginismus Therapy, who has the special training in sexual issues and who will treat your vaginismus naturally without the administration of drugs, is a good start. The professionals are often called sex therapists or clinical sexologists. With the right kind of advanced vaginismus therapy help, resources, and personal support, someone experiencing this issue has a good reason to be hopeful that their sex life will happen and thrive. Our sessions are through Zoom, so you can have your session in the privacy and comfort of your very own home, which guarantees your privacy is secure. Advanced Vaginismus Therapy will help you regain your confidence and self-esteem so you can have a healthy sex life. Visit our website for more information or to book your free strategy call via Zoom at www.advancedvaginismustherapy.com. Get the best treatment for your vaginismus. A therapy that is 100% medication-free, 100% natural. Bespoke treatment plan just for you. Surgery-free, Botox-free, absolutely no side effects, instant results. Reconnects your mind, body, and spirit connection. Releases all of your negative feelings and emotions. Build your self-confidence and self-esteem. Reconnect with your partner like never before. The most comprehensive vaginismus treatment available. Book your free strategy call today